Things are looking up for crypto, particularly Shiba Inu, and recent research suggests that Shiba Inu may be working with Coinbase right now. A radical new initiative is set to launch that will shock the whole cryptocurrency market. If you have any interest in Shiba Inu or Shib tokens, you should see this. So, what's the most recent Shiba Inu coin news, and how will it affect the value of Shiba Inu? In today's video, I'll address these questions and tell you all about the price-boosting Shiba Inu information that has just surfaced. I did a lot of research for this video, so make sure you watch until the finish so you don't miss anything. Before we continue, this channel features a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, simply subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment with the hashtag Shiba Inu. Best wishes. But before we get to our topic, let's check at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on November 19th. Shiba today's news price is roughly 856 units. Shib's prices have fallen 0.9% in the last 24 hours, with a $182 million trading volume. The token also has a market capitalization of more than $5 billion, making it the 20th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please bear in mind that by the time you watch this video, the rates may have changed. This information is not intended to provide financial advice. Also, follow the link in the description to our new official Telegram channel. We recently released a tiny market capsule that will skyrocket in value. Join the free group to learn more about the project. Let's get started with today's video. Shiba in New Wales inspires a bold increase in sheep prices. Shiba is showing a bullish divergence today, as its price has dissociated from the continuing sell-off that is affecting all coins, including Ethereum and XRP. The market performance of sheep nowadays is largely related to the increase in whale activity. Data from the block shows that Shiba Inu whale transactions increased by 162% in 3 days. In actual numbers, the number of significant transactions registered in Shiba Inu has increased from 24, another 15 to 63 at the time of writing. According to the block's definition, these huge transactions are those worth $100,000 or more. According to the data, the 24 trades in November occurred while the price of sheep was set at 900 units, and the clear growth suggests that whales are taking advantage of the low pricing to enhance their holdings. The method is working, and it is consistent with the main trading idea of buying low and selling high. Based on this, we may expect some volatility across the board, which may result in a modest sell-off in Chief's pricing in the short term. Despite a convergence of good data, Shiba Inu is seeing a decline in some of its key metrics. While it has had a remarkable week in terms of burn rate, current shipping data indicates a slowing trend, despite the fact that more than 50 million sheep have been dispatched to dead wallets. The community is still waiting for the core programming team, led by Satoshi Kusama, to deliver on their promises of spectacular advancements. While the prospect of new apps and innovations to join the bull run remains a crucial driver of enthusiasm. Obtaining genuine movement in this regard can aid in maintaining the current pricing outlook. It would be really appreciated if you could continue to watch. If you could just hit the like button. It costs nothing and greatly benefits the channel. However, keep an eye out for the latest Shiba Inu updates and what the future may bring for the Shiba Inu currencies. The mechanics and impact of the fire process in Newburn Shiba. Since its debut by the Shiba Inu team, the Shiba in Newburn has been a focus of controversy in the Bitcoin community. The burn process is intended to lower the supply of sheep tokens in circulation, which has the potential to boost the token's value over time. The burning procedure is complicated, comprising both manual and automated burns based on the performance of sheep barium, a Layer 2 network just launched by Shiba in a new team. Shiba, a new decentralized cryptocurrency, has grown in popularity in recent years. The currency was designed to honor the Shiba Inu dog breed, which is popular in Japan. The Shiba and New team have put in place many systems to assure the coin's life and success, one of which is the Shiba Inu burn. The burning mechanism is intended to lower the amount of sheep tokens in circulation, which has the potential to boost the token's value over time. Shiva is a Hindu god. The concept of coin burn is a new feature that distinguishes it from other cryptocurrencies. The concept of coin burn is one of the distinctive properties of cryptocurrencies. Coin burn is the process of permanently removing a specific quantity of coins from circulation. This is accomplished by forwarding them to an address that no one can access, rendering them useless. The concept of coin burn is not new and has been around for quite some time. However, with the rise of cryptocurrencies, it has grown in popularity in recent years, and coin burning can be launched by developers or community members. The Shib team introduced the burning process in the instance of Shiba Inu, and it is briefly discussed on their official website. Why would you burn coins? There are various reasons why coins are burned. One of the primary motivations is to lower the overall amount of coins in circulation, which might raise the value of the ones that remain. This is because a decrease in supply might result in currency scarcity, which can lead to an increase in demand. Furthermore, coin burning can serve to manage inflation and prevent coin depreciation. In the instance of Shib, community members burnt 22.2 billion Shib tokens during the last week in order to raise the coin's value to 1 cent. To accomplish this purpose, the Shed Burn project encouraged community members to burn tokens. The burning of Shib tokens is done manually, but there is also an automated component based on the performance of Shibarium, a newly developed Layer 2 network. Shiba Inu Shiba Inu's burn strategy is a cryptocurrency that was developed in August 2020. To help regulate the quantity of Shib tokens, the creators of Shib have created a coin burn strategy. The coin burn approach entails removing a certain amount of Shib tokens from circulation. The burning process is carried out on a regular basis, and the number of tokens burned is determined by the performance of certain barium, the recently published Layer 2 network. The Shib team has not revealed the exact mechanics of the burn process. The burning mechanism, however, is understood to be a blend of manual and automated burns. The automated burns are based on Shibarium performance. Shibarium is a high-performance Layer 2 network designed to handle a high volume of transactions at a cheap cost. The more Shib tokens burned, the higher the performance of Shibarium. The Shib coin burn approach is meant to aid in the management of the Shib token supply and to prevent inflation. The value of surviving Shib tokens is predicted to rise as the number of Shib tokens in circulation diminishes. This is due to the fact that demand for Shib tokens is predicted to remain steady or increase, while supply is expected to drop. It's now time to get to the meat of today's video. Through different activities, Coinbase has demonstrated significant support for Shiba Inu and its linked Layer 2 solution Shibarium. Barium integration is being actively discussed. As of November 2023, the Shiba and New Development Team, led by Sheikh Tashi Kusama, were in active talks with many partners to integrate your barium with centralized exchanges. While the specifics of these negotiations have not been made public, it is reasonable to imagine that Coinbase, a significant player in the cryptocurrency exchange business, could be engaged given its previous support for Shib. Sure support for Barium DAO Coinbase has made it possible to purchase Chavarium DAO using the Coinbase wallet. This move demonstrates Coinbase support for the wider Shiba Inu ecosystem beyond only the Shib token. Coinbase contributes to the creation and development of the Herbarium Layer 2 solution by providing instructions on how to buy Sugarbarium DAO using their wallet. This means that we may see currency bases listing numerous projects built on Barium, which will significantly accelerate adoption. These measures by Coinbase are simply a show of support for Shiba in new and related projects such as Shibarium. By offering a trading platform for XI and showing support for its Layer 2 solution, Coinbase is assisting in the further use and growth of Shiba in the cryptocurrency realm. While not explicitly mentioned, these steps could be interpreted as setting the framework for future interaction with Barium. Well, Coinbase potentially destroyed Shib tokens, and the possibility of Coinbase using trading fees to burn huge numbers of Shib tokens can be argued based on Nance's precedence with Terra Luna Classic. Nancy's decision to burn long tokens was a big move in the cryptocurrency industry hold and provides as an important example of how major exchanges can influence a cryptocurrency's token economics. The precedent of exchanges burning tokens. Nancy's decision to burn Terra Luna Classic tokens illustrates that cryptocurrency exchanges may and will engage in token burning procedures. This move was most likely made to stabilize the token's value and ecosystem after a period of substantial market instability. Nance demonstrated how exchanges might be proactive in regulating the token supply of cryptocurrencies listed on their platforms by doing so. Such actions by major exchanges can also boost investor confidence. For example, seeing a major platform like Coinbase actively managing the supply of a token and lists may be interpreted positively by the community and investors as demonstrating a level of commitment and involvement in the health and stability of the token's ecosystem. Possibility via trading costs. Coinbase might pay such a burn with a percentage of its trading fees from sheet trades. This one was in line with the interests of sheep owners because it had the ability to raise the value of their farms. While this is still theoretical, it is dependent on a variety of factors, including regulatory compliance and the exchange's strategic interests. Nance's example with Lunk suggests a possible situation in which Coinbase might pursue a similar method with sheep tokens. Such efforts would be consistent with the general trend of exchanges becoming more involved in cryptocurrency ecosystems. They make a list many of our subscribers have stated that they will not sell sheep for the next 5 years and will keep millions of them because they believe in Shiba and new developers, as well as the real-world value sheep. How many do you have in your possession? Please list your sheep holdings in the comments section below. Let us applaud the sheep holder for having faith in the process. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And let us know your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments, and make sure to turn on post alerts to get updated every time we post a new video. But Sheep isn't the only project you should be looking to acquire right now. In fact, there are 20 crypto projects poised to produce billionaires, and now is the time to invest. Click the video on the screen now to learn about the 20 projects. Believe me when I tell you do not want to miss this.